Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and secure at home. Dear children, let's start our class with a small prayer. So, all of you join your hand and close your eyes. O God, enlighten me to do my work in a manner most pleasing to you. Amen. Now, all of you open your eyes. My dear children, I am very happy yesterday. Some of you have completed your homework and I checked all the homework and I feel you have to improve your handwriting and from the beginning, from the alphabet, we have to write all in proper line. Some of you are writing very well, very good, but those who are not writing well, you have to take practice. Okay, you have to practice writing. Okay, now see, yesterday what we have learned, we have revised alphabet A to Z, capital letter and small letter. Let's read it again, then we will go for our next exercise. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, Z. These are capital letters. Can you tell me, children, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. How many letters, children? 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters in our English alphabet. And now tell me, what is the first letter? Yes, the first letter is A. And what is the last letter, children? Yes, Z is the last letter of English alphabet. Now we know the capital letter. Let's read the small letter. These are small letter. Okay, this is small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are small letter. So, I hope you all know capital and small letter. Okay, now here we will do one exercise. Okay, here small letter and capital letter. These are capital letter and these are small letter. We have to match it. Capital letter with small letter. Okay, here capital letter A, we have to find out where is small letter A. So see, this is capital letter A. Now search this side, where is small letter A. Here small letter A is there. So we have to match it. Now draw one line. Now see what is the next letter, children. This is capital letter C. This is capital letter C. And here we have to search capital small letter C. Where it is, children? Is it capital small letter C? No. Is it small letter C? No. Is it small letter C? Yes, this is small letter C. So now what we will do? We have to match it. Draw one line and match with capital and with small letter. Now look at the next letter. This is capital letter D, and here we have to match small letter D. This is capital letter D and this is small letter D. So here what we have to do? We have to draw line. Make a line. Now see this letter. This is letter G. This is capital letter G and this is small letter G. So match it. Yes, like this we have to do. And now this is capital letter J and here small letter J. With capital letter J we have to match small letter J. Okay. Now see, this is capital letter L. Here we have to find small letter L and this is small letter L. Here draw one line. Very good. Now see, this is what letter is this, children? This is capital letter M. What is this letter? Capital letter M and this is small letter m. Here we have to draw line. I hope it is easy for you. And see, this is capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. And here we have to find out small letter Q. Is it small letter Q? No. Is it small letter Q? Yes, this is small letter Q. So, draw line. Very good. Now see, this is capital letter R. What is this letter? This is capital letter R. And here we have to find out small letter R. Small letter R. So, draw one line. Very good. Like this you have to do. Now see, children, here capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. Here capital letter Y and this is small letter y. We have to match it. Okay. I hope you understand. This exercise today you have to do in your English copy. With capital letter we have to match with small letter. Okay. Now see, one more things I have prepared for you. Here some of the picture I have drawn. We have to write their names. Here what we have to do? Here we have to write their names. Now look at this picture. What is this picture, children? This is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. And what is the spelling of apple? What is the spelling of apple, children? Yes, we all know. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So let's write here. A-P-P-L-E. A-P-P-L-E. apple. A for apple, and the spelling is A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now see, what is this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a bird. Birds are very beautiful and it's fly up in the sky. So we like to see birds. Yes or no? So this is a picture of a bird. And the spelling is B-I-R-D, bird. What is the spelling of bird, children? B-I-R-D, bird. So here we will write the name B-I-R-D, B-I-R-D, bird. Now see, this is a picture of a cap. Picture of a cap. C for cap. And the spelling is C-A-P, cap. Here we will write C-A-P. C-A-P, cap. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of a fish, and fish live in water, and the spelling is F-I-S-H, fish. And dear children, the spelling of fish is F-I-S-H, fish. Write it F-I-S-H, fish. Now see, these are grapes, and it's very beautiful to see and very tasty also. Some are sweet and some are sour, and the spelling of grapes is G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now look at here. Here are also some pictures. This is a fan. What is this, children? This is a fan, and the spelling is F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Now see, this is a hat. What is this picture? This is a picture of a hat, and the spelling is H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, H-A-T, hat. Now see, what is this? I hope you all know the name of this picture. Yes, this is an ice cream. What is this, children? This is an ice cream. Now see, what is the spelling of ice cream, children? I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. So let's write it. I-C-E, ice. Now cream. C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. I for ice cream. Now see, this is a picture of a jam. What is the picture of this? The name of the picture? What is the name of this picture, children? Jam. Jam is very yummy. And the spelling is J-A-M, jam. So write the here J-A-M. J-A-M, jam. Now see, this is a duck. What is this? This is a duck. And the spelling is D-U-C-K, duck. Let's write it here. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So one more time, let's read all the name. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B-I-R-D, bird. C-A-P, cap. F-I-S-H, fish. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. This is fan. F-A-N, fan. H-A-T, hat. Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. And this is jam. J-A-M, jam. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Dear children, you all have to practice all this name. You have to by heart all the spelling of this name. Dear children, today is your homework to write all the ask your parents to draw this picture and you have to write their names. So my dear children, today also you have to complete your homework, and I request all the parents to please kindly help your child. And dear children, here also with capital letter, here I am giving small letter, here with capital letter, small letter, we have to match here. Practice these two exercise in your copy. This is homework for you. And today is 22nd. Date is 22nd June 21. Write today's date and write all the names of this picture in your copy. And this is also you have to practice in your copy, and you have to practice for exam also. Today this much only we will learn. Now all of you join your hand and close your eye. O God, we give you thanks for all the necessary knowledge you have given me today through teachers and book. Amen.